Welcome to my channel Lawstalk. Today is job alert related to research manager, women in leadership in economics, Inclusion Economics India Center IEIC in collaboration with Yale University. So at a glance, the job location is New Delhi and the joining date is as soon as possible and it is a rolling basis application open until filled. Yale back collaboration with Yale University, advancing women's representation in leadership across economics and public policy in India. So about the organization Inclusion Economics India Center, IEIC is a research initiative based in Institute for Financial Management and Research, working in close partnership with Inclusion Economics at Yale University, YIE. Together they conduct policy relevant research on gender, labor, economics and inclusive governance. The WIL initiative, the Women in Leadership in Economics initiative seeks to understand and advance women's representation in leadership across economics and public policy in India. Selected candidates will work directly with academics, policymakers and institutional partners on cutting-edge research. Employer IEC, IFMR in partnership with the Inclusion Economics at Yale University. Location New Delhi. Start date is as soon as possible. So key responsibility: research design, conduct quantitative and qualitative research on gender representation in economics, survey and data, assist in survey design, implementation, management of research and data, MLE support monitoring, learning and evaluation activities for WIL initiative, analysis and interpretation, analyze and interpret research data to generate actionable insight, stakeholder collaboration, work closely with partner institution, academics and policymakers. Research output, develop reports and outputs that support evidence-based policy making. So these are the key responsibility. Who should apply, what we are looking for, and what this offers: strong interest in economics, public policy and development research, experience in quantitative and qualitative research methodology, knowledge of data management, analysis and research tools, excellent analytical communication and organizational skills, ability to collaborate with multidisciplinary teams and institutional partners. What this offer: contribute to high impact public policy research, collaborate with leading academics and policymakers, exposure to evidence-based policy making and development research, professional growth in research-driven environment, advanced initiative promoting women's leadership in economics. So these are the experiences you will get after getting this particular job. Application process: choose your role, decide whether you are applying for research manager or research associate, prepare your document, a CV, a cover letter and any academic transcript requested by specific application form, apply through official link, submit via the respective application link on Inclusion Economics Opportunity page. Application is rolling base, open until positions are filled. Location is New Delhi. You can apply for this vacancy and please follow my channel on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram for more information like this. Please support my channel. I am trying to give details. I am trying to support legal fraternity by making videos, and please in future also I will going to conduct interviews of academicians, advocates and judges, so that you can have idea, law students have idea about how to choose your career and how you can succeed in your life, in professional life and in your personal life also. Please share with your friends, family and with your colleagues. Thank you.